99204 V6 Mustang automatic transmission. General maintenance includes the cost of the transmission fluid, the filter, and the pan gasket is reusable, so probably a new pan gasket. The filter and pan gasket come as a bundle. The part is AC Dow code TF302, cost about $20. The gasket there is made of cork rubber and it's not very reusable. The OEM gasket is made of molded rubber and it is reusable. And after about 150,000 miles, this gasket is still reusable. A new OEM style gasket alone costs about $20. Notice that the OEM pan does not have a drain plug. I'm upgrading to one that does. Cost about $25. The fluid capacity of this automatic transmission is 13.9 quarts, and the fluid type is Mercon V. Each quart costs about $12. A complete fluid change should cost about $167 in fluid. I did a drain and fill and still ended up using about 8 quarts, which came out to $96. If you've never done this service and want to tackle it, I recommend the video uploaded by the Haynes Manual channel. They filmed it better than I could. Now, I've seen other channels add RTV to the pan gasket. For this transmission, you do not need to do that. Notice at the beginning of the video how clean the gasket area was after dropping the pan. I literally spent 1 minute cleaning it and it was ready to go. Adding gasket sealant is just creating extra work for you next time. So in total, I spent $141 on transmission general maintenance. Check out the other New Age Mustang content on this channel. This video shows you how to remove the transmission, and this video shows you how to change the engine mounts. Have a good day.